Do you need to charge multiple devices but running out of wall outlets? Today I am checking out this power strip with 5 outlets, 4 USB ports and built-in surge protection. But is this actually the best compact travel charger for your home, office or hotel setup? Let's find it out. I'm gonna show you the value, colors, honest customer reactions, outlook, core features and everything you should know before buying this. See, this is only for $8 and you can claim 31% discount coupon available inside my description box. So to get this discount, check my description box immediately. Okay, now let's check the colors: white, black, gray and white night light. White with night light. See, so these 4 types of colors available for you. Now let's check the core features. Multifunction USB outlet, the group design on the back and wide space. Smart charge with USB A and USB C. Reliable surge protector circuit. Out after sale service. Same. Now let's check more details. Features and specifications here. See everything. The maximum current 15 A and plug type B. Then average 15 ampere, voltage is 125 volts, and the other special features: compact portable surge protections and USB slot it has. Okay, you will get 30 days return guarantee from Amazon. Now let's check the item details. You will have 1 year warranty. Then see, this is #1 best selling in power strips, so you can trust this easily. Lots of people are using this. See, the user guide, recommended uses for product, home, office and travel. Now we will show the honest customer reactions. Before this, let's have a look to this. See, this is the surge protector for you. See, 4 USB ports and 1 2 3 4 5 outlet extender. Then 5 AC outlets plus 3 USB plus USB-C port also. Okay, 5 AC outlets. See everything. Fireproof shell, screw, surge protection and everything. The groove at the back made it flush against the wall perfectly. Good for all duplex receptacle outlet. See, space need to be over 1 inches. Check this. See, it will look like this after setup. Best for duplex outlets. See, minimizes risk of fire from lightning strikes and sudden surges. Minimum absorbed energy 1680 joules. TVS MOV. Then see this wall side part, back side and front side sizes. So this is all about the outlook, you can say. Now let's check the honest customer reactions. Instantly took my own outlet bathroom to a 4 outlet. Really good, no complaints. The perfect attachment. Compact powerhouse, a must have for home, office and travel. Convenient and practical. Great versatility. Great quality. Very useful. Check more reviews. See, very useful. 1680 joules. Great charger for modern life. Check more. My enthusiasm runneth over. Wall charger, surge protector. I will order of it. Multi-use wall charger. Extra power capability with wall charger. Great product. Best purchase in a long while. Better than a power strip because it doesn't leave a cord anywhere. Love, love and love. You can check a lot of reviews from there. See, lots of honest customer reactions for you. Mostly they have positive reviews. See, I cannot find a negative reviews at all. So that's all about the honest customer reactions. Now I'm gonna tell you some pros and cons about this you should know before buying it. It is compact and travel friendly design, and it has 5 AC outlets with wide spacing for bigger adapters. Okay, and also it has 4 USB charging ports including USB-C, then 1680 joule surge protection for extra safety. You will have 3-sided layout, makes plugging devices easier, and it will great for desk, dorms, hotels and home setups. Also fireproof build and wall mount support you will get. But the downsides are USB-C port does not support fast PD laptop charging. Okay, then works based on standard duplex outlets only. So remember this, and also no power cable extension like traditional power strips, and also it large adapters may still block nearby ports depending on size. Okay, so I think if you want a compact wall charger that can power multiple devices without taking much space, this outlet extender looks like a really practical option. You get plenty of outlets, USB charging, surge protection and a clean setup in all the small device. It may not replace a full-sized power strip, but for travel, office desk or everyday charging, it definitely stands out for the price of only $8. Again, you can claim 31% discount available inside my description box. To get access, check my description box right now. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech reviews and check the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.